In front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now if you can't see a microphone icon at the top right corner, click on this gear one instead. Then hit voice typing and use white switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on no visible microphone. If you never used it before, tap on while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. You can also click on your microphone to turn on voice typing and then tap on tiny icon right next to it. Then you can use voice typing thanks to this bar. If you wish to move it around, hold it and drag it wherever you want to. To delete text on the go, click on this button with an X. To access keyboard and voice typing options, some of them, click on this icon on the left. And to go back to standard keyboard, use keyboard icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!